how to add Tim Hortons card to Apple Wallet. You want to go to the App Store, and here we're just going to search for past cards. You need this application in order to add your Tim Hortons to Apple Wallet. So right here you will get this one, Card Manager Digital Wallet. Once you install it, you want to click on Open. Right here we will click on Add Card and then choose Store Card. From here we'll use the search bar to search for Tim Hortons, and you can either choose the USA version or the UK version. We're gonna do the USA. I will just allow camera access, and here you can scan your card, or you can choose manual entry. It is going to be either a membership or a loyalty card, so here you can put the card or barcode number. You also need to provide the PIN, any notes if you want, and then you will just click on save. After you click on save, you will go and click on the card that we just created. It's going to be this one. And you just then add to Apple Wallet, and we'll choose pass only. Now it's going to create the wallet pass. Okay, click on add, and now it should be added to our Apple Wallet. If we go back, then as you can see here, you have your Tim Hortons card. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.